Are you concerned about the privacy of your Snapchat contacts? If you want to stop syncing your Snapchat contacts and ensure your privacy, you've come to the right place. In this full guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Once you're in the Snapchat app, locate the account icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the account icon to access your account settings. Step 3. Tap on the gear icon to enter the settings menu. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Contacts Syncing and tap on it. Step 5. In the Contacts Syncing section, you'll find the option Share Contacts with Snapchat. Tap on it to disable the syncing feature. Step 6. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap on Confirm to stop the syncing of your Snapchat contacts. By following these simple steps, you can easily stop syncing your Snapchat contacts and protect your privacy. Rest assured that your contacts will no longer be shared with Snapchat. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to stop syncing your Snapchat contacts. Take control of your privacy and enjoy a more secure Snapchat experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you safeguard your privacy by stopping the syncing of your Snapchat contacts. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.